Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to open Incognito tab in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you need to go to your Chrome browser. Okay, and then here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. And then here you can tap New Incognito tab. Well, and then here you can open any website. For example, Instagram. Okay, and then to exit, you can click here. And then press X button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to open Incognito tab in Chrome on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.